Hello, everybody. It's Mr. Hartranft again, going to show you the next step in the process for updating the stock market game log sheet that you're required to do. So currently I have 2, 4, 6, 8 stocks that I have listed here, and I entered in the current value based upon fictitious prices. So these are not actual prices, but we're going to make them actual prices, and I want to show you how. So what you should have done is change the cell to current price, which I have listed right here as current price. Now we actually want to make all of these cells here in this column the current price. Okay, so luckily Google has a way of us to do that. So what we're going to do is delete the price that we entered, and we're going to put the equal symbol, and we're going to type in the following: Google Finance, FINANCE, and then we're going to open up a bracket by hitting Shift 9. We're going to click on the ticker symbol for the first stock. That's going to enter in B2, as you can see right there. Now I'm going to put a comma and open up parentheses, and I'm going to type in the word price. I'm going to close the parentheses, and then I'm going to close the bracket by holding Shift 0 or clicking Shift 0, and I hit Enter. And you can see that the price is now has now changed. Now watch what happens to these other prices. I'm going to copy that formula all the way down, and you can see that the price has changed on all these stocks, and these were as of the close on Friday. It's currently Monday morning. Now these are about 15-minute delayed prices, so they'll be real time with a 15-minute delay, just so you know. Okay, so you can see all of the gains and losses have been updated based upon the current price and the current value. But now we want to add and make sure that we have this all added up here. We want to know what our total is. So you should have done this already, but if you didn't, remember you're going to click and highlight the entire column, click on the sum button, hit enter, and it gives us a total of $1,980 currently as unrealized gains. Now we want to assign a color to this. So how do we do that? Well, what we do is if we highlight this entire column again, right here, we go up to where it says format, we want to go to where it says conditional formatting. Okay, so you can see I'm highlighting it right here. I click on conditional formatting, and right here where it says format rules, we want to scroll down and find where it says greater than. So when we say greater than, so if it's greater than 0, it's going to change to a green cell, right? You could see that's what happened. Now I want to make it so that if there's a negative number, okay, if it's a negative number, I want to make it become a red cell. So I'm going to click on format again, conditional formatting. I'm going to add another rule. And what's that rule going to be? Anything lower than 0 is going to be a red cell. So I click on the green cell right here and change it to red and click done. And what happens? Any number that is negative is now going to be a red cell. So if I added a negative number here, say I said negative 88, you'll see that it turns red. Okay. One last thing that we want to do real quick is we want to know what our current balance is. So how do we do that? Well, we click the equal symbol here, and we're going to take this 100,000 that we started with, and we're going to add whatever our total is right here. And then I'm going to hit enter, and it now shows my current balance as a $118,805.15. If I want to format that and do the same thing, we can go in and we can do the same exact rules. Okay, we can make it, if it's greater than 0, we make it green, click enter, and if we go back in and we say if it is less than 0, or less than 100,000 actually, because that's what we started with, then we would make it red. Okay, and click done. And as you can see, we're greater than 100,000, so it is in green. And now we have our colored formulas, and these will now become real-time quotes as the prices start to update. This will change continuously. Okay, so please follow this tutorial, and this will be the next requirement for the sheet. Thank you.